When you came into the station here, you showed me something this tiny, this small. Tell us a little bit more about it. It's called ebook card edition. What's the advantage of having that versus a book?
Well, when I first put out Artemis Rising, I was test marketing the audience. I was trying to figure out who would love it more, young adult girls or women in their maybe 20s to 40s, because both of them really liked it, and I couldn't figure out who to target. So I decided to put out the ebook version first so that I could actually do a lot of marketing with just the ebook version, because the thing about ebooks is you can change them so fast. You can make changes to the text itself. Like I had one Portuguese person, a friend of mine, tell me that I had misspelled one of the Portuguese words. And this was after it was already published as an ebook. And I said, oh, I'll just fix it right now. And then I re-uploaded it to all the sites and it was done. I can't do that with a paperback. Right? So this allows me to sell the book in other places, even though it's still only an ebook. It allows me to actually scratch off the code and people can download it from my publisher's website. And I can literally hand sell it or give it away or whatever I feel like doing. And it's also signed.
Yeah, I noticed your name is, so it's actually a signed copy.
Yeah, so I take it up with me, and I'll even on the ski lift when I'm out skiing or something, somebody will just literally want to have it right there. So I'm like, oh, I've got it right here.
That is so incredible.
Yeah, it's pretty.
What technology just amazes me every single day.
Yeah.
So the whole manuscript is in here?
Yeah, well, it's actually not in the card itself. Yeah. It's basically you go and you scratch off the code on the back and go to my publisher's website, and then you download any version of the book you want. It comes in all versions on his site.
That's beautiful.